Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aries Placements. This is your quick, na love reading. So, gawin nating timeless. Okay? Aries. So, tingnan lang natin kung anong meron. Let's see. Aries Placements. Anong meron? O, diba? Hindi na tayo mag-spill. Madalian lang. Aries, who is this? Okay, Queen of Swords. Pwedeng meron kayong legal background nitong tao. Queen of Swords. The Nine of Swords in reverse. This person is so independent. You're so independent whether you're queen or king. Some of them talagang kaya nitong ipaglaban kung anong kaya niyang ipaglaban or dapat niyang ipaglaban. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. At ang taong to may chance na hindi mo to kausap ngayon. Okay, sabihin nating parang hindi siya naapektuhan kasi alam niya yung ginagawa niya, like that. Nakakuha ako ng ego and pride from this person. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them matalino ha. The Queen of Swords is here. Pwedeng teacher or sabihin nating somebody na pwedeng nagtuturo, no? Nagle-lecture, something like that. Okay, so the Ace of Pentacles is here in reverse. Pwedeng may nangyaring separation or downfall sa inyo nitong taong to. Yeah, the Five of Cups. Ooh. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon ng mga Aries? Okay, the Four of Swords in reverse. Why? The Ten of Wands. You should drop this. Kailangan mo na daw i-surrender to. Yeah, I'm sorry. Kailangan mo na daw i-surrender. Throwing the white towel. Some of them kasi hindi natin hindi natin sila kayang parang may paninindigan tong taong to, kung ano man ang paninindigan niya, yun ang alam niya. So, hindi natin kayang baliin yan. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Kung ikaw itong parang naghihintay sa kanya, kung ano man. Kasi si Ace of Pentacles kanina naka-reverse, meaning that's energy of missed opportunity. Okay? Parang may ganyan, missed opportunity. Parang, ay naku, sayang. Sayang itong taong to. Parang gano'n. I don't know if this is vice versa or flip. Okay? So, kung magi-stay ka, mas stuck ka dito sa energy ng taong to, ang nakita ko kasi sa kanila is, they're doing well, they're doing good. So, kung mas stuck ka, napaka-unfair na nun pagdating sa sarili mo. Di po ba? So, you have to drop this muna or na lang sa ngayon. Okay? Kung ano man ang meron. So, what is their emotion right now? Let's see. Let's check their emotion. Emotion ng taong to. The Three of Cups. Yeah, see, they're like, yung energy nila is being happy, going out with their friends. Pero that's talking about reconciliation, I think. Yeah. Anong meron sa Three of Cups? Seven of Cups in reverse. About reconciliation, it's like, I have no time. Oo, parang ganyan. I have no time. Pero, yeah, the Nine of Cups. So, ito yung pinapakita niya. Kaya nasabi ko, I have no time for this. Parang ganyan. I hate parang being needy. I hate parang nagbe-beg. Hindi sila ganun. They don't beg. Okay, so, yeah, open sila for, reconciliation, for pag-uusap maybe, or kung ano man na kailangan sa situation. Seven of Cups, sabihin nating some of them, pwedeng nakikipagkilala kung kani-kanino, iba't ibang energy, pero they still like, sabihin nating ikaw pa rin din. Okay, ikaw pa rin. Yung parang hinahanap niya, every time na meron siyang kasama, ikaw yung nasa utak ng taong to. Yeah. Kung may third party, okay, kung may third party at itong taong ito pinaninindigan niya yun, sabihin natin gusto na nitong makipag-connect or makipag-reconcile sa'yo, hindi lang niya pwedeng baliin yung mga nasabi at mga nagawa na niya sa past. Kasi, pwedeng makasira yun sa kanyang image. Okay? Gusto na itong makipagbalikan if ever. What is their next action? What is their next action? Yeah, si Ace of Wands. They want to get back together. Oo, gusto nila makipag-ayos, makipagbalikan. Another chance with you, Aries. Pinapakita ng taong to talaga na hindi siya affected. Sabi ko sa inyo. What's with that Ace of Wands? The Eight of Wands in reversed. Walang gagawin. Yes. Gusto lang nila yun. Okay? Some of them, they're thinking of you sexually. Yeah. Fantasizing. Dreaming of you. Para mga ganyang bagay-bagay. See, there's regrets. Ay, sorry mga cross-watcher, no? Kung hindi ikaw to, then hindi ikaw to. Okay? May nababasa ako dito kasi itong taong to, Aries. Sabihin nating may pagmamatigas, may mga pagmamatapang na ginagawa, maybe noon hanggang ngayon, hindi siya naamin or hindi siya papayag na magmukha siyang may maling nagawa sa mga desisyon na ginawa niya noon. No? So, well, kanya na lang sigurong tiisin. Di po ba? Oo, tinitiis ng taong to ngayon. Parang ito yung consequences na mga ginawa niya. Yep. If ikaw yung legal, pumunta to sa kabit, now they're regretting everything. Yes! Oo. Okay. Anong outcome? / advice for you, Aries? The Two of Swords. Yeah. Bakit ganito? Ayan, Bakit ganyan? Diba? Bakit ako nakapag-desisyon ng gano'n? So, that's energy ng pwedeng pag-avoid, ganyan, pagiging confused, indecisive. The Six of Pentacles in reverse ba? Ito yung pagsisisi, na literal na pagsisisi. Yeah, the Fool in reverse. Literal na pagsisisi. Ito, ang nakikita ko dito. Hindi ko nakikitang sayo. Huwag kang magsisisi kung ikaw ay inalisan nito, ha? Sila yung nagsisisi ng malala dito. Okay, sila, Four of Wands, imbes na nandyan sila sa'yo, imbes na sabihin nating pwedeng kasal nga kayo nito iniwan ka for other person, for other kemerot. Okay, mga babae, mga palalaki, now they want to get back. Gusto na makipag-ayos. Nakakahiya. Oo, nakakahiya kay Aries. Nakakahiya rin, nakakatakot rin. The Fool. No, nakakatakot rin kung anong mga sasabihin sa akin ni Aries. Hindi ko kaya. Oo, bahala na. Dito na lang ako. Parang ganun. Magtitiis na lamang ako dini. Oo, sa aking piniling ito. Now, I'm regretting all over. I'm regretting lahat-lahat. Oo, nang ginawa kong decision. This is decision. Pwede ko bang baguhin yung mga ginawa kong decision? This is regrets. Big time. Okay? So, there. So, ikaw, gawin mo mga dapat mong gawin. Wala kang, sabihin natin kung ikaw alam sa sarili mo, wala kang ginawang masama. Iniwan ka lang basta para sa iba. Then, pagpatuloy mo buhay mo, siya, ewan ko kung paano. Okay? So, let's see. Aries through Pisces. Aries. Ayaw nila ng drama, gusto na makipag-ayos. Taurus, they want na sabihin nating kausapin ka, pero I think some of you, there's this blockages or block mismo. Okay, Gemini, they're bitter. Cancer, indecisive. I don't know kung ano re-regreta ng iba sa kanila. They're trying to avoid you. Leo, no plans, no effort, immature. Virgo, there's tension. Kung hindi kayo nag-uusap nito ni Virgo, lalong lumalala yung tension. Libra, hindi na sila open for relationship maybe. They're not available. Scorpio, they're not ready to commit. Na non-committal. Sagittarius, meron siyang i-spill sa'yo, like pwedeng may mga sasabihing sikreto or what. Capricorn. So, there's this healthy boundary. So, maybe, kung ikaw, kailangan magkaroon ng healthy boundaries from this Capricorn, do it. Aquarius, unstable, shaky, or sabihin natin not strong yung magiging connection, or sabihin natin some of you, ikaw itong nasa separation with this Aqua. They're bitter. Pisces, they want to know you more. Yeah, they're curious about you. Yeah. So there, yun ang aking reading for you. Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!